National Testing Agency (NTA) has announced cancellation of Neet UG 2026 examination conducted on May 3, 2026, citing concerns raised after inputs were examined in coordination with central agencies and investigating authorities. In the press release issued on May 12, the agency stated that the examination process could not be allowed to stand in the interest of transparency, fairness and integrity of national examination system. NTA, with approval of Government of India, has decided to reconduct the examination on fresh dates, which will be notified separately through official channels. Government of India has also referred the matter to Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) for comprehensive inquiry into the allegations linked to the examination. NTA assured full cooperation with the investigation and stated that registration data, candidature and examination center choices of candidates from the May cycle will remain valid for the re-examination. No fresh registration or additional fee will be required, while fees already paid will be refunded. Candidates and parents have been advised to rely only on official NTA communication and ignore unverified reports circulating on social media.